Hello, I'm in a 2013 Toyota Sienna, and today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life lights. So you might have something like this maintenance required light on here, this oil thing, and depending on your center, it might have some like oil maintenance required prompt here. But basically, we're going to make sure this is toggled to trip A, and you can do that with this. So we're on trip A, and then we're going to shut the vehicle off. And we're not doing anything with the pedals for this. So whether you have the button start or the key start, obviously I have the key for this to work. If you have a button, you'll all of this at the same time. You'll push this button twice while you simultaneously holding this in without releasing. And then for this key, I'm just going to flip it to the on position, but not all the way where it starts the car. So at the same time I have this in the on position, I'm going to be holding this in. I'm going to do my best to do this while holding the phone. See if I can do it with this. All right, so now I'm holding this in with my pinky, and then I'm going to turn the car to the on position. See, we see this maintenance flashing, which means it's resetting. You still want to keep holding and holding, and it's all set. So now it's reset this, so it would be clear on here once you start the car, as well as any prompts you might have over here. I hope that was helpful for you, and hope you have a wonderful day.